In the last videos we already covered a lot about tables in Word. In this video I will show you some last advanced formatting options. So let's start with splitting a table. If we want to split a table after the second row, for example, we click into the third row, go to the Layout tab and click on Split Table. Now we can of course also merge two tables horizontally, but before we can do that we first have to change some settings. So we right-click into the first table and open the table properties. And here we again have to make sure that the text wrapping mode is set to none. Then we also check this setting for the second table. And after we did this, we can simply drag the second table right beneath the first table and the two tables will be merged. The next thing I want to show you is how we can save a table with all its content as a template. If we want to save this table, for example, we highlight it and go to the Insert tab. Then we go to the Table dropdown and now we open the Quick Tables dropdown. And at the bottom of this dropdown we click on Save Selection to Quick Tables Gallery. The next time we want to use the saved template, we just need to open the Quick Tables dropdown again and select the template here. So now you know how to split and merge tables and how to save them as a template. Watch the other videos to learn more about tables.